Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see how to trade meme coins on Solana using different must-have tools. In this video we are going to talk about the different tools I use to make money on the Solana blockchain. But I want you to keep in mind that this market is very risky, it's the primary market, so the pairs are moving really fast. The first thing I do is go to dextrainer.com and then click on the Solana network. From here we can see a bunch of information, we can see the token trending in the last 6 hours. You can play with the filter, you can see which coin has the best performance in the last 5 minutes. One super important thing is to look after the liquidity. If it's above 100k, it could be a good sign, so we can take a look on this coin. We can also have a look on the 24 hours, the 6 hour, the 1 hour and the 5 minute performance. We can see the volume and the number of transactions of this token. We can also see the price of the token, but it doesn't really mean anything, so we look after the market cap. We can also see the top performance, the top gainers, and the new pairs on the Solana blockchain. When we click to new pairs, we have access to the fresh new pairs that were created this day. In this case, we can see that there is some tokens that are performing well. So yeah, let's choose one of these to show you an example. For this video, I'm going to choose MAO, 2.7 million market cap, 146k liquidity. When we click on the token, we can see that they open automatically the chart. We have access to the transaction, to the top traders, to the social media. First, let's take a look on the information we got right here. I know that this token was created a couple of hours ago, so let's just change the timeline with a 5 minute or a 15 minutes to have a clear look on the chart. We have access to the last transaction on this coin at the bottom of the screen. When you place your mouse on the maker, you can see every wallet that made a transaction. There is also a top trader section, so when you click on the top trader, you have access to all the information, all the best traders on this pair. Everything is public in the blockchain, so we know the top traders, we know who make money, who lose money. And we can see that the top trader just bought once for 3.3k and sold for 62k. So that guy could be interesting to copy trade. We can see that it's made some huge profits, but it may be the dev of the project or an insider, we don't know. If we want to inspect that, we can copy his wallet address and paste it on Solsky to analyze his transaction. So yeah, we have access to the top traders on this pair. I'm not gonna talk a lot about finding and copying some profitable Solana address, because it will be the subject of the next video. On the Dextrainer page, we also have access to the contract address. We can copy it and paste it in RugCheck. That's a nice tool to use. Personally, I use it every time I want to buy a token to verify if it's legit. When you copy the contract address from Dextrainer and you paste it in RugCheck, you have access to a bunch of information. You can see if the token is a warning or if it's a good coin. So yeah, let's paste the contract address that we just copied from Dextrainer. Now we are able to find out that this token has a good risk analysis. We also know that the supply is 1 million and the LP locked is 78%. We also have access to the top holders. Here we can see that the first one is Radium with 2.7%. That's probably the liquidity pool. So yeah, we have access to the top 5 holders. One great tip is to be careful when a few addresses got a lot of the supply, because basically if they sell a big bag, then you can lose your money, so you have to keep an eye on that. Another important information is to get back on the Dextrainer chart and we can see the LP liquidity is locked. That means it's a good sign, so if you want to trade a token that doesn't have this locked symbol, I advise you to don't trade it because it may be a rug pull. The next tool I want to talk about is Bird Eye. This one is also a great analysis tool. To analyze a token on Bird Eye, you have to copy the contract address and then paste it directly on Bird Eye. We also have access to the chart, and on the left we have access to the percentage performance, a little biography about the project, and all the different social media. A project that has a website, a Telegram and a Twitter, it's always a great sign. So let's have a look on their social media. Here I'm clicking on more and I just see that they didn't link yet their social media to the Bird Eye account. So let's get back to Dextrainer and analyze what they're saying on the social media. In this case, we see that the token Dextrainer profile is updated, so let's take a look on this. We're gonna click on the website and see if it's a clean looking one. So yeah, they tell us to scroll down. We can understand that it's a cat Pepe derivative. Yes, the website looks clean. It's always a good sign, so we can take the next step. But for these pairs, we're gonna use the Trojan bot on Solana because we don't want to make the transaction manually. And we want to access our position fast, we want to sell fast, we want to buy fast, so it's for that reason that we use a bot. Trojan bot is the best bot I've come across so far, so if you want to use it, you can use the link down below in the description and save 10% on fees. Once we send some Solana in our Trojan bot Solana address, we can start trading. We'll use the buy section in this video to show you an example of how it works with the MAO token. We will also use the sell part to see if it works. We can access the position. We can place a limit order or a DCA. As I said before, I'm not gonna talk about the copy trade section because it's the subject of the next video. We also have the LP Sniper option, but this one is not available yet. It will be released in a few days. We can also access to the new pairs directly from Telegram in the Unibots. There is a referral program and we have the settings. The settings are super important. This is where you can set up your own slippage, how much you want to enter in the position. If you want to know more about that, you can go watch my last video. We can bridge our Solana to Ethereum because originally this tool was for Ethereum. We can also click on withdraw if you made some money and you want to secure your bag. There's also an help section if you want to contact the team. Here's a shortcut to access all the different functionality easily. You can just type dash. We're just gonna select start to access the home menu. Now let's get back to our MAO token. Here I'm gonna show you an example of how I do to buy it. First, we have to select the contract address. For that, we have on Deck Screener, we can just click on MAO to copy in the clipboard. Once we have the contract address, we can just go to Telegram in our Trojan bot and paste it. When we paste the contract, we can see that we have some information from the MAO token. We can see the liquidity, my own SOL balance. And to buy, we can click on 0.15. We can enter the SOL amount that we want to put in this case 0.2. So yeah, the transaction has been sent. We have to wait a bit for the confirmation. And now we have the green emoji, so we just bought successfully. If we want to see our position in detail, we can just type the shortcut dash position. And we can click on refresh to see if we already made some profit or some loss. If we want to sell, we can just type the shortcut dash sell. And we have a pop-up that appears on the screen. We can select MAO, the token that we want to sell. Click on MAO. You can choose to sell 50% or 100%. In this case, I'm going to select 100%. We can see that we send the transaction. We are waiting for a confirmation. And here we go, the transaction went through. We can see that we sold successfully. We have now the P&L card that appears with the results of the trade. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. If it's the case, don't forget to share, comment or subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.